Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Safepad token. Now the Safepad token is actually brought to you by the same team, the same people who made Safereum, that token that did very well. Now this pre-sale is going on right now on pinksale.finance for Safepad. They're trending #1. They've already sold an insane amount of tokens. There's about 7 hours left of this pre-sale to go. So, if you are a subscriber, you'll most likely see this video in time. If you're not, hit subscribe, obviously, so you don't miss these new tokens. But we're going to go over the info on the Safepad token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Safepad is part of the Safereum ecosystem. Safereum is currently $11 million market cap, which is 21 times from pre-sale. With a big week ahead, Safereum will be listed or is listed on 5 central exchanges, and they did that within the first week, with multiple Tier 1 central exchange listings coming during the next hours. So for central exchanges, Safereum did get listed on a lot. I think there was like Poloniex and you name it, any Tier 2 central exchange, but they also got listed on MEXC Global, which is a Tier 1 central exchange. So if you're looking for, the Safereum token, I do have a MEXC Global referral code down there. That's where that token got listed. And I would assume that Safepad is going to be listed on a lot of the same central exchanges as well in the future, since it's the same team. So it says Tier 1 central exchanges coming during the next hours. Safepad will be listed on the same Tier 1 and Tier 2 central exchanges. So there you go, MEXC Global most likely. Proactive marketing, deflationary Launchpad, buyback and burn Safereum, no taxes, 1-year LP lock, contract renounced, Safereum team, KYC certificate, 5 audits, and Launchpad introduction starting on Monday, October 23rd, 8 p.m. UTC time. So it's already October 23rd today, so that should be coming out tonight. Now they have a GitHub, a Reddit, a Telegram, a Twitter, and their official webpage all listed on PinkSale here. Now obviously they are all the Safereum web pages and socials. So they do have Safepad information though. You kind of have to look for it. I had to search for specifically Safepad information because most of the information is on Safereum. Now Safepad is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. They're having a public pre-sale. They've almost had 600 different investors contribute to this pre-sale so far. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate right now is $741,857. So soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 20 Ethereum. And right now they've sold 255.3 Ethereum worth of tokens, and they still have 7 hours left to go. There's no hard cap, so pre-sale is just going to continue until October 23rd, 1830 UTC time. Now, if you miss this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go to Uniswap. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Safepad token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Safereum.io, or you can find it on their token address, on their Etherscan. You probably will not have to change slippage because it says 0% taxes, and liquidity will be locked for 365 days. So token allocation metrics for the Safepad token, basically 20% of the tokens will be burnt, 45% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 22.49% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 12.5% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a free and quick light audit here by Cyberscope in the discussion section on Pink Sale. There's no bad warnings on it. All good check marks. It says owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction amount, cannot blacklist wallets, cannot pause trading, and cannot mint new tokens. So if you head over to their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here on the screen at Safereum.io, there is a recent tweet here that it says, "Good evening, astronauts." It starts like that, and that has all the info so far about Safepad. So it says, "As you're well aware, today at 8 p.m. UTC time, we're set to unveil our multi-chain Launchpad platform Safepad to the public. Upon its full introduction, we will release the platform's GitHub white paper and open source code." So that should be coming out very soon, probably, after the 7 hours here. Safepad will initially support launches and other features on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and upon its release, the Safechain, so their own chain there. Throughout the development of both Safechain and Safepad, we have secured 11 strategic partnerships. These partners will be showcased on the platform, offering early insights into the Safereum team's identity, reach, affiliation, and the caliber of financial backing behind this journey. So the rewards here, it says, holders of Safereum tokens captured in recent snapshots will start to earn revenue shares on scheduled claim dates accessible to the Safepad rewards section on the platform. This section will provide information about upcoming claim dates, upcoming snapshots of Safereum holders, individual statistics, reward formulas, and the value of your rewards in USD. For those who missed recent snapshots, rest assured, as new snapshots will be taken every few days, including unannounced snapshots in between. Our undisclosed on-chain algorithm will analyze Safereum holders' behavior, taking into account factors like the duration of Safereum token holdings, the quantity of Safereum tokens in their possession, recent Safereum transactions, and more, ensuring that loyal holders reap deserved rewards. Number 2, there's going to be a reward structure. 50% of the fees collected through our in-house Launchpad token builder, Launchpad pre-sale raises, and Launchpad multi-sender will be allocated to distribute to all eligible snapshotted Safereum holders. 40% of these fees will be used to buy back and burn Safereum tokens, promoting deflationary dynamics within the ecosystem. 10% of the fees will be allocated for ongoing development and expansion of the Launchpad's platform. And number 3, former rewards. To participate in pre-sales via the Launchpad platform, investors must hold Safereum tokens. Project owners aiming to launch their projects on our Launchpad must hold Safepad tokens. So Safereum holders will earn revenue shares in both ETH and Safepad tokens, with the specific amount depending on which features on the platform are most utilized. Pre-sale raises will generate revenue shares in ETH and for Safereum holders, while certain other features will generate revenue shares in Safepad tokens. So the security, as you well know, Safereum aims to contribute to making the cryptosphere a safer place for investors. For this reason, we will always adhere to the highest standards of security. Both Safepad and paired tokens are undergoing extensive testing on the testnet over the next several months to ensure flawless performance without any bugs or errors. So they have an InterFi audit, SourceHat audit, SecureWise, BlockSafu, and Cyberscope audit. And it says, additional opportunity in recognition of our most loyal and active Safereum holders, we are introducing an opportunity in a discreet, unannounced manner. A stealth fundraise for Safepad will take place with a brief duration of 12 hours and the possibility of closing the raise at any time. We have chosen not to engage in pre-raise marketing for Safepad's raise and have opted for a stealth mode approach to prevent overfilling. 51% of the raise will be allocated to initial liquidity, while the remaining 49% will be used to buy back and burn Saferium tokens from the open market. This will introduce another hyper-deflationary event for Saferium and its holders. And then it goes over the starting time of the pre-sale, and that is what's going on right now on Pink Sale. So it just said this could close at any time, so go check this out while you can. It says about 7 hours left on Pink Sale, but we'll see. Maybe it'll close early. So again, if you're a subscriber, you'll see this in time. If you're not, hit subscribe so you don't miss these new tokens. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Safepad and Saferium? And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC global one where this token is most likely going to be listed just like Saferium was. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.